Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, because today's video it's a tutorial video on how you guys can activate your Lloyds Bank's credit card online. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then hit that subscribe button to our channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. First step, you want to search for activate Lloyds Bank credit card over here. After you search for activate Lloyds Bank credit card, click on the first option over here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the card activation page of Lloyds Bank. Over here, scroll a bit down, and if you have the app of Lloyds Bank, you can activate your card from your app as well. But if you don't, you can click on activate your card online and choose activate your credit card. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the credit card activation page of Lloyds Bank. Over here, you can enter your credit card number. After you enter your credit card number, enter your date of birth. Now, once you enter your date of birth, enter your card's expiration date. Once you enter your card's expiration date over here, click on activate. Now, if all the information you entered is correct, then your credit card should be activated. So that's how you guys can activate the Lloyds Bank's credit card. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe button to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.